Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to sell digital products on Gumroad. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, you need to create a Gumroad account. Simply go to gumroad.com and start selling. Simply sign up with email, Google or Twitter and complete your profile. Now set up your payment info, go to settings, choose your payouts and choose how will you get paid. US sellers opt for direct deposit, and outside US they use PayPal or Wise. So you can also now create a new product. You need to simply click on the new products from your dashboard and choose digital products. You can also sell membership, physical products or courses. Simply enter your product name, your prices and upload your digital file. After you have done this, you need to customize your product package. You need to simply customize your product page by adding cover image or thumbnail, description, and product preview. Once this is done, simply publish and share. Click on publish and share your link. Once everything is completed, market your product and track sales and get paid. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.